Welcome back to the channel, guys. My name is Bruce Wang. In today's video, we're going to go over my M1 Finance portfolio. So here we are. The Wang Gang portfolio is at $2,320.37. It's not too bad. On Monday, we saw a big dip in the markets, and we have just recently bounced back. Total gain so far is $17.10, and dividends earned on that is $11.70, which is not too bad for a portfolio this small. When it comes to the total return and the performance of this portfolio at the moment, I'm not too happy about it, but over time I think things will get better and the returns will start to creep up little by little. So that is the advantage of long-term investing, and hopefully the returns will start to see better days. If you guys didn't know already, I'm using the M1 Finance platform. I'm using this because they have fractional shares and a dividend reinvestment program. I started using this in March, and ever since then, I've been liking the platform. As you can see, even though my portfolio is so small, I think a $2,000 portfolio is very small, yes. So since March, I've been getting some dividends, even though my portfolio is so small, but that is the advantage of fractional shares. You can see that I'm getting like 5 cents dividends here and there, and since I've been depositing more and more money, I've been seeing the dividends starting to grow a little bit bigger each and every single month. So just 2 days ago, I got a dividend from BND for $1, not too bad. And a few days before that, I got a dividend from Verizon for 77 cents. So I'm depositing $200 into this portfolio every single week, $800 every single month. That's around $10,000 every single year. So the strategy here is to keep investing and reinvesting the dividends to hopefully grow this portfolio a lot bigger than that Robinhood portfolio that I have. So I've been getting a lot of new subscribers from the How to Buy Bitcoins in 2019, and I just want to welcome you guys to the channel. I don't do too much cryptocurrency content anymore, but this video is going to be the exception. I just set up all my crypto miners in the back there. Maybe you can hear them mining. I don't know, but they're back there now. I want to talk about Coinbase really quickly. Coinbase is relatively safe compared to everything else I've used, and now they're starting to expand what you can buy on there. You can buy Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, and Litecoin as well. So Litecoin, you've been able to buy that for a long time now. If you guys want to find anything from this video, go check out the description down below. I'll list all the links that I'm using in there. My M1 Finance portfolio is on there if you guys want to view that, and the Coinbase will be on there as well. So mainly where I buy my Bitcoin is going to be on Coinbase. So if you guys didn't know, Coinbase has a pro website called Coinbase Pro. It was formerly known as GDAX, and I've recently been trying to do some trading because Bitcoin has been pumping a lot lately, and I'm not the world's greatest trader or anything like that. Basically, I bought Bitcoin when it was around $4,000, $5,000, and as the price goes up, I've been just selling off little by little by little. Coinbase Pro is a free feature that everybody can have access to if they sign up with Coinbase. And the hack that I want to talk about Coinbase Pro is if you transfer money in and out of your Coinbase Pro account, you will be charged less fees than if you did that with the Coinbase account. If you guys can understand what I just said there. So right now I'll be logging in here and showing you the Coinbase Pro account. So this is my Coinbase Pro account. Right now I have about 0.07 Bitcoins, and I have $660 in the account that I'm trading with. Like I said, I'm very cautious when it comes to this speculative gamble of Bitcoins. I know how volatile it can be. I know that the price jumps up thousands of dollars every single week, but this year alone, Bitcoin has been doing pretty good. Year to date, I think the Bitcoin price has jumped up almost 100% or something like that. Who knows? Don't take my word for it. You guys gotta verify all that yourself. My strategy is very simple. I bought Bitcoin back when it was $4,000, $5,000, $6,000, and basically I'm just selling off little by little as the price just keeps jumping up. Right now I'll be making a sell order, and I'll be doing a limit order here. I'll be selling it at this price, and I'm just going to sell 0.1 Bitcoins. 0.01 Bitcoins, my bad guys. So that is about total. I'll be making about $120 from this order, and it was just that easy. So the fees when it comes to trading on Coinbase Pro is pretty small. Maker fee is about 0.15%. Taker's fee is 0.25%. So what does that mean in real life situation? So you guys can see. So when I do trades, it's usually like around the $100 range to the $50 range, and like the fees here are just pennies on the dollar, 15 cents. The highest I've seen is like a 0.25 and the highest I've seen so far is just like 27 cents, which is still not too bad. The number one tip that I have when it comes to trading Bitcoin is that you always have to smash the like button if you haven't smashed it already. And like I said, I'm not professional when it comes to trading Bitcoins. I bought when it was really low, and now I'm selling it when it's like 3 times the price now. Let's take a look at my wallet here real quick. So I think Coinbase Pro now is a lot more simple than it was back in the days, and it's a lot easier to like get around and whatnot. So right now I have $780 in Bitcoins. I have roughly around the same $718. Other thing that I want to let you guys know is that you can earn some free cryptocurrency on Coinbase. So when you log into your Coinbase, if you guys don't have an account yet, use my link to start up your own account. Right now I only have like $10 in this Coinbase account. And you go down here into the earn free crypto. It says earn free crypto with Coinbase Earn. Learn about different cryptocurrencies and earn them for free. So basically what they do is they want to teach you about this cryptocurrency, and as you learn about it, they give you free crypto. Like you get $2 worth of DIA for just watching this video and answering a question. And like moving down, I think there's like a few lessons here, and then like one advanced lesson, they probably make you do something and you can earn a lot more. So if I did this, I would earn $14 worth of DIA. And going down, they have a few other ones here: EOS, Stellar Lumens. So I earned $50 worth of EOS. I earned $50 worth of XLM, Zcash. They didn't have any more Zcash, so if you go in here, sorry, all the Zcash has been claimed. So I was a bit late on that, so I wasn't able to earn any of that. But I think a few of them are still available, such as BAT. I still can earn about 7 more. I think I've earned just like $3 worth here. I believe it's worth it to do it because it'll only take you a few minutes to earn, like it'll only take you like 10 minutes to earn $50 worth of these cryptocurrencies. And after I earned them, I moved them all to my Coinbase Pro account, and I just sold them for the US dollar amount. And then after I did that, I just sent them straight into my bank. So now I literally earned free crypto just answering a few questions. Whenever you're trading crypto, it's not going to be exact. So you're going to have like these small amounts left in your coin, in your wallets here, which that's like the one thing I don't like about cryptocurrency. I'm a bit OCD, so whenever I see this is like 0.03, I wish I can just sell 14 cents worth of this, but you can't. I think like there's a minimum for every single trade. So now like I always cringe whenever I'm in my wallet. I'll always see these really nice zeros and then 0.01. All these zeros, 0.03. Yep, that's just me. I'm a little bit OCD about that. But overall, total holdings in my account is 1,500. You know, sooner or later, when it comes to this account, I'm gonna be all out of Bitcoin, and I'm probably gonna wait for the next, bear market to buy more Bitcoins, because when it comes to Bitcoin, it's just pure speculation. You never know where the price is gonna go, and I'm already holding a big enough bag that I don't need to be investing any more Bitcoins right now. That's why I've been selling off a lot of my portfolio. And when it comes to my accounts, like on M1 Finance, these are relatively safer, like 1,000 times safer. This is, to me, this is the definition of investing. When you invest in a company that pays you dividends, when you're investing in cryptocurrency, Bitcoins, all that is just pure speculation. You don't know what type of returns that you'll be able to get. And that's what I've been doing in the past few weeks since like Bitcoin has been like skyrocketing like crazy. I've been taking the profits from Bitcoin and transferring them into my dividend investing portfolio. And as I'm getting older myself, I want to be more stable investments, such as these dividend investing stocks and in real estate as well. And since we're still on the topic of investing in cryptocurrencies and dividend investing, this is the one other company that I've been using for my trading. It's called Binance. This is where I buy all my altcoins. But the thing about Binance is that when it comes to US citizens, they'll be closing down their exchange for all US citizens around September. So this is probably going to be the last month that you can do any type of trading when it comes to Binance. But I've heard that if you have any coins on there, you can still withdraw and deposit your coins onto their Binance server or their Binance wallets. I'm not sure why you would do that. So after Binance starts to cancel out their exchange to the US, I'll be withdrawing all of my coins on there, and I think that'll be it for my tenure with Binance. But if luckily a lot of you guys are most likely not going to be living in the US, so you guys are going to be pretty lucky to be able to still trade your altcoins on Binance. I'll have a link in the description if you guys want to check out Binance. But basically, these guys are the top tier exchange when it comes to cryptocurrency. If we take a look at CoinMarketCap, you can see that their Binance Coin is number 6. How crazy is that? I think when I first got into cryptocurrency, Binance Coin wasn't even in the top 100. But as they got better, as they got like a better reputation, and as they improved their platform, Binance Coin just kept rising up, and now they're in the top 10, top 6, which is it's still a little bit mind-blowing to me, because I actually invested in Binance Coin when it was around like $20, and now I've seen a lot of gain from that, and it looks like I'll be selling very soon, because basically Binance is forcing me to sell all my altcoins before they shut down their exchange. So when it comes to the question of would I rather invest in dividend stocks or would I rather invest in cryptocurrency, I'm going to be all about dividend investing from now until the foreseeable future. When it comes to cryptocurrency, like, my bag is still there. I have some Bitcoins, I have some other altcoins. And if you guys want to see my older videos about all of the cryptocurrencies and stuff, I'm going to leave all the videos back there. You guys can go see it. And, it's going to be back there. And the cryptocurrency was a great investing lesson that I learned. And it's crazy. Like, sometimes you want to forget about your failures, but you can't. Cryptocurrency came back in a big way. So I'm happy for that. And all said and done, I'm pretty much broke even when it comes to cryptocurrency. And if the price keeps going up, that's when I'll see a little bit more profit than I am now. And with all those profits, I'm going to be shuffling them into my dividend investing portfolio, such as mainly this M1 Finance portfolio. I think that over the long run, 10, 20, 30 years, just dividend investing is just more stable. The returns are a lot easier to see because I'm actually getting a dividend every few weeks, every few months, every few quarters from this gigantic portfolio that I have here. When it comes to my portfolio on M1 Finance, if you guys want to check that out, it's going to be in a link in the description. So when it comes to my entire Wang Gang portfolio, I have 52 holdings. Dividend yield is around 4%, which I think is very, very safe. Expense ratio is very low because I'm only holding a few ETFs. One of my favorite ETFs right now is going to be the Vanguard Total Bond Market ETF. When the stock market is very volatile, you're going to wish that you invested a little bit more into bonds. So when it comes to this portfolio, I'm keeping it relatively safe, around 20% into bonds. But when it comes to me, I want a pretty stable portfolio. I don't want this portfolio to fall, 10, 15, 20%. I don't think I'll be able to handle that type of volatility. 5 to 10%, maybe I can handle 10%, but I think I know the type of person I am now, and I do not like too much volatility. So I've been getting a lot of questions. So I've been getting a lot of DMs lately, like a lot more than usual. My Instagram page has been growing a lot faster than I expected. I'm almost at 2,000 followers, which is relatively low compared to my subscriber count, but I love spreading a positive message. And you know, if you guys can learn from my mistakes, that is all the better. So if you guys haven't followed me on Instagram, this is gonna be a quick plug. Go follow me on Instagram right now. And so I got a question from Gamsa. Hopefully I said that right. They were asking me, what do I do for a living? In the beginning of my videos, I always started off with, I'm a real estate investor, dividend collector turned YouTuber. And basically, I'm still a real estate investor. That is my main job. I manage a few properties here, and I have to manage my own properties, and that is a full-time job of itself. There's just so much to do when you are working for yourself, and taking care of tenants, taking care of your properties. There's just so much maintenance that you have to do. There's so much like finding tenants for your properties that you have to do, and fixing. There's always something that's broken in this field, in this work and field that I'm in right now. Anything from mowing the lawn to fixing clogged drains, I have to do all of that. It can be very easy at times because not everything's gonna break all at once, but what I realize is that when one thing breaks, a lot of things break everywhere else all at the same time. And when it comes to my job, I am on the phone all the time. I'm calling people all the time. I'm verifying things all the time, and like I'm always dishing out checks all the time. And that's my main job, and that allows me to have a lot of free time as well. And that is why I decided to create like a YouTube channel just like this. And that is why I'm a turned YouTuber, part-time YouTuber. But even when it comes to YouTube, I think YouTube is almost like a second job right now. And I spend a lot more time than I did before. I think back in the days, I was only doing like 5 hours a week. Now I'm at like 10 to almost 15 hours a week editing, filming, thinking of content, trying to monetize my channel. Like I'm doing all of that, and it is fun because I get to be creative. I get to make money on the side, and I recommend everyone try it. I know a lot of people think that it's really easy just to step in front of a camera and just talk to a camera for like an hour and then edit it down, but trust me guys, it is very time consuming, and I think that you have to be very passionate about it if you want to be able to succeed at it. But if you guys want to see any more videos from me, go check out these videos here, and let me know what you guys think about them. If you haven't already, like the video, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification to find out when I post the next video. I'll see you guys next time. Love you 1000. Bye-bye.